What if the answer to rising housing costs and environmental problems was building without bricks, electricity, or power tools? The Amish have been creating strong, lasting homes this way for generations. How do they do it, and what can we learn from their approach? Today, we're facing higher construction costs and growing environmental challenges. The Amish community stands out by building durable, eco-friendly homes without using bricks or modern technology. And so, we'll explore 10 reasons why the Amish choose this unique method and discover how their techniques can inspire more sustainable living for all of us. Let's begin with number 10 on our list. Have you ever considered how the availability of resources influences building practices? The Amish communities are often nestled in rural areas rich with forests and natural stone. This abundance of wood and stone makes them the logical choice for construction materials. Instead of importing bricks, which are manufactured and often need to be transported over long distances, the Amish utilize what is readily available around them. Research highlights that using local materials not only reduces transportation costs, but also minimizes the carbon footprint associated with construction. Sustainable material sourcing has been shown to support local ecosystems and strengthen rural economies. By selecting trees from nearby forests, they can personally oversee the harvesting and preparation of the wood. This hands-on approach not only reduces costs associated with purchasing and transporting materials, but also fosters a deep connection to the land. Studies on community forestry reveal that these practices encourage environmental stewardship while preserving natural resources for future generations. Sustainable logging ensures long-term forest health, providing renewable building materials for communities like the Amish. In contrast, bricks require industrial production and transportation, which doesn't align with the Amish emphasis on self-sufficiency and sustainability. Research on industrial construction materials suggests that relying on manufactured goods often increases ecological harm and economic dependency. By relying on local resources, the Amish minimize their environmental impact and strengthen their community bonds. This approach ensures that each home is truly homegrown, reflecting the natural beauty of the surroundings and supporting the local ecosystem through sustainable harvesting practices. Moving on to number 9, let's delve into how cultural and religious values shape Amish building practices. The Amish way of life is deeply rooted in principles of simplicity, humility, and community. Building extravagant homes with materials like bricks could be seen as a display of wealth or pride, which conflicts with their values of plain living. Sociological research on Amish communities highlights how their architectural choices reflect these values, fostering an identity grounded in modesty and shared purpose. By using wood and stone, the Amish create homes that are modest yet functional. Wood, in particular, allows for handcrafted workmanship, showcasing skills passed down through generations. Studies on traditional building techniques indicate that wood is especially valued in artisanal craftsmanship, as it is versatile, sustainable, and allows for precise manual construction. This aligns with the Amish emphasis on hard work and skilled labor as key components of their cultural identity. Their homes are designed to blend seamlessly with the environment, reinforcing their desire to live in harmony with nature and their community. Avoiding bricks helps them maintain a lifestyle that honors their traditions and religious convictions. Research on architectural practices in tight-knit rural communities reveals that building methods are often chosen to reflect and reinforce collective values. This approach fosters a sense of equality within the community, as homes are built to meet practical needs rather than to showcase wealth or status. It's a tangible expression of their commitment to their beliefs and way of life. Now for number 8, let's explore how the Amish achieve remarkable construction speed and efficiency. Have you ever witnessed a barn raising? In Amish communities, building a home is a communal event where everyone pitches in to help. Using wood allows them to construct homes quickly without sacrificing quality. Research on communal construction methods highlights the efficiency of group labor, especially when using lightweight and versatile materials like wood. Wooden beams and panels can be cut, shaped, and assembled efficiently with hand tools. The lightweight nature of wood makes it easier to handle, enabling large groups to work together effectively. Studies on traditional timber construction show that prefabricated wooden components significantly reduce building time compared to heavier, more labor-intensive materials like bricks. This streamlined process allows the Amish to complete the main framework of a home in just a single day, a feat that would take much longer with brick. Moreover, the use of wood offers flexibility in design and modifications. Wooden structures can be easily adapted to meet the specific needs of the community, allowing for quicker adjustments and expansions without extensive delays. This adaptability is crucial for the Amish, who often build homes that can evolve with their families and lifestyles. Sociological studies on Amish barn raisings emphasize that these events not only speed up construction, but also strengthen social bonds and preserve cultural traditions. The collective effort fosters a sense of unity and cooperation, which is integral to Amish society. This teamwork ensures that each home is built with care and mutual support, reinforcing the community's values and relationships. In contrast, brick construction is labor-intensive and time-consuming. Each brick must be individually laid and secured with mortar, requiring specialized skills and slowing down the process. Research on rural construction practices confirms that timber-based methods significantly outperform brickwork in terms of speed and adaptability. Bricklaying also demands more precision and expertise, which can limit the speed of construction and increase costs. By using wood, the Amish uphold their tradition of community collaboration, building homes efficiently while strengthening social bonds. It's a method that values teamwork and shared purpose, allowing the community to come together to achieve a common goal quickly and effectively. This approach not only enhances construction speed, but also ensures that the homes are a true reflection of the community's collective effort and spirit. Let's proceed to number 7 and discuss the significant cost savings in Amish home building. Did you know that the average cost of an Amish home ranges between $50,000 and $70,000? That's substantially less than the cost of a typical modern home built with bricks, which can easily exceed $300,000. Studies on rural construction economics reveal that these disparities are largely driven by material sourcing, labor practices, and the exclusion of modern systems. The Amish approach exemplifies how prioritizing essentials and leveraging community resources can drastically reduce costs. Several factors contribute to these savings. First, using locally sourced materials like wood and stone eliminates the expenses of purchasing and transporting bricks. Research on material logistics emphasizes that the use of local resources can cut transportation costs by up to 40%, making it a financially sustainable choice. Additionally, sourcing materials locally supports the local economy and reduces the environmental impact associated with long-distance transportation. Second, labor costs are minimized because the community comes together to build homes, eliminating the need to hire outside contractors. In Amish communities, building a home is a collective effort where each member contributes their skills and labor. Studies on collaborative construction demonstrate that communal labor can reduce overall building costs by nearly 50% as tasks are completed efficiently without reliance on paid specialists. This cooperative approach not only lowers expenses, but also ensures that the construction process is deeply integrated with the community's social fabric. Moreover, Amish homes typically exclude expensive modern amenities such as electrical wiring, plumbing, or HVAC systems. By avoiding these costly installations, the Amish significantly lower their construction expenses while reinforcing their values of simplicity and self-reliance. Research on alternative housing supports this, noting that minimalist designs focused on essential needs can reduce construction costs by as much as 60% compared to modern homes. Instead of relying on electricity, Amish homes use natural lighting and heating methods, which are both cost-effective and sustainable. Another aspect of cost-effectiveness is the longevity and low maintenance of Amish-built homes. Constructed with high-quality materials and traditional craftsmanship, these homes are designed to last for generations with minimal upkeep. This durability reduces long-term costs associated with repairs and renovations, making homeownership more affordable over time. Studies on traditional building methods highlight that well-built wooden structures can outperform brick homes in terms of longevity and maintenance costs. Furthermore, the Amish practice of building without debt plays a crucial role in their cost-effectiveness. By avoiding loans and financing, they eliminate interest payments and financial stress, making homeownership more accessible and sustainable. This financial discipline ensures that resources are allocated efficiently within the community, supporting overall economic stability. This cost-effectiveness not only makes homeownership accessible within the Amish community, but also reflects their values of frugality and simplicity. The money saved can be invested back into the community or used to support family needs, fostering financial stability and interdependence. By maintaining low construction costs, the Amish ensure that their homes remain affordable for all members, promoting inclusivity and mutual support. Truly, the Amish approach to home building is a masterclass in cost-effectiveness. By utilizing locally sourced materials, leveraging communal labor, excluding expensive modern amenities, ensuring long-term durability, and practicing financial discipline, the Amish create homes that are affordable, sustainable, and deeply integrated with their values. Their methods offer valuable insights into how prioritizing essentials and community collaboration can lead to significant cost savings without compromising quality or sustainability. Halfway through at number 6, let's look at how the Amish prioritize sustainability. In today's world, environmental concerns are more pressing than ever. The Amish have long practiced sustainable living, and their building methods are a testament to this commitment. Studies on sustainable construction highlight the advantages of using renewable and minimally processed materials, as demonstrated by Amish practices. Brick production has a significant environmental footprint due to the energy-intensive kilns and the emissions from manufacturing and transporting them. In contrast, wood is a renewable resource, especially when harvested responsibly. Research on material life cycles reveals that wood, when sustainably managed, absorbs carbon dioxide during its growth and emits far fewer greenhouse gases during processing compared to bricks. The Amish practice sustainable forestry by carefully selecting trees for harvesting and allowing younger trees to grow, maintaining the health of the forest ecosystem. This aligns with findings on selective logging, which suggests that such practices enhance biodiversity while providing a steady supply of construction materials. Stone, another natural material they use, has minimal environmental impact since it requires little processing. Studies indicate that stone quarrying has significantly lower energy demands than brick production, further supporting its use as an eco-friendly building material. By avoiding bricks, the Amish reduce their carbon footprint and promote sustainability. Their use of natural, locally sourced materials minimizes environmental degradation and aligns with their principles of stewardship over the land. Furthermore, their construction methods produce minimal waste. Any wood scraps or sawdust generated during building can be repurposed, such as for insulation or fuel, exemplifying their commitment to efficient resource use. Research on construction waste management supports the environmental benefits of such practices, highlighting the potential for near-zero waste construction models. Now, for number 5, let's examine how the Amish design their homes for off-grid living. The Amish lifestyle is characterized by simplicity and independence from modern utilities like electricity and plumbing. This off-grid living influences their building choices. Studies on alternative living emphasize that homes designed for off-grid functionality often rely on natural resources and passive design strategies, much like Amish homes. Wood provides excellent natural insulation, especially when combined with eco-friendly materials like straw or wool. These materials help maintain comfortable indoor temperatures without the need for electrical heating or cooling systems. Research on thermal efficiency in construction demonstrates that wood outperforms brick in regulating indoor temperatures, particularly in climates with varying seasons. Bricks, while durable, don't offer the same level of natural insulation and often require additional systems to regulate indoor temperatures. By using wood and natural insulation, the Amish create homes that are energy efficient and suited to their off-grid lifestyle. Studies on passive design strategies note that materials with natural thermal properties, such as wood and straw, significantly reduce energy requirements for heating and cooling. Their homes also maximize natural light through strategically placed windows, reducing the need for artificial lighting. Research on daylighting and architecture reveals that effective window placement can cut lighting energy consumption by over 80%, which aligns with the Amish reliance on natural illumination. In the evenings, they use gas lamps or lanterns, providing a warm and cozy atmosphere without electricity. Water is accessed through hand pumps connected to wells, eliminating the need for electric pumps or complex plumbing systems. Research on decentralized water systems supports this approach, showing that hand pump wells are cost-effective, reliable, and environmentally sustainable. This simplicity ensures that their homes remain functional and efficient, aligning with their values of self-reliance and simplicity. Moving forward to number 4, let's explore the adaptability of Amish homes. Life is full of changes, and homes often need to adapt to new circumstances. Amish families might grow or their needs might shift over time. Wooden construction offers greater flexibility for modifications and expansions compared to brick structures. Studies on construction materials indicate that wood's lightweight and modular properties make it easier to modify and expand compared to the rigid nature of brick structures. This makes wood particularly suited for homes that must accommodate evolving family needs. Wood allows for easier adjustments such as adding new rooms or reconfiguring spaces. Brick homes are more rigid and challenging to modify once built, often requiring extensive demolition and reconstruction for even minor changes. This adaptability aligns with the Amish way of life, where homes are passed down through generations and must accommodate changing family dynamics. Research on intergenerational housing highlights that flexibility in design and construction is crucial for homes intended to serve multiple generations. This flexibility also extends to the design phase. The Amish can tailor the size and layout of homes to suit individual needs, using wood to create custom features without the constraints imposed by brick construction. Wood's versatility supports a wide range of architectural designs, allowing for personalized layouts and unique craftsmanship that meet both aesthetic and functional needs. Additionally, repairs and maintenance are more straightforward with wood. Damaged sections can be replaced without significant disruption, ensuring the longevity and functionality of the home over time. Research on maintenance efficiency emphasizes that wooden structures, when properly managed, are easier and less costly to repair than brick buildings, which often require specialized labor and materials. Now, for number 3, let's discuss the practicality of using hand tools in Amish construction. The Amish rely on hand tools rather than power tools due to their rejection of modern technology. Working with wood is more practical when using tools like saws, mallets, and hand drills. Studies on traditional construction methods highlight the efficiency of manual woodworking techniques in crafting precise joints and structures, especially when paired with the natural pliability of wood. Wood can be cut and shaped precisely without electricity, allowing Amish builders to develop a deep understanding of the material. This tactile approach fosters skill and craftsmanship, ensuring each joint and beam is crafted with care. Research on traditional carpentry underscores how working with hand tools enhances builders' knowledge of material properties, resulting in structures that are both functional and beautifully constructed. Brick construction typically requires specialized equipment and tools that are inconsistent with Amish practices. Studies on construction methodologies confirm that working with bricks demands mechanized tools such as cement mixers and mortar applicators, which are incompatible with the Amish reliance on hand tools. By working with wood and hand tools, they maintain their traditions and enhance the craftsmanship and quality of their work. This hands-on approach fosters a strong connection between the builders and the homes they create, embodying the Amish values of hard work, dedication, and skill. Research on the cultural significance of artisanal craftsmanship emphasizes that such practices preserve traditional skills and promote a deeper sense of pride in the finished work. Approaching the top of our list at number 2, let's consider the durability of Amish homes. When properly prepared, wood is an incredibly durable material. The Amish take great care in seasoning their wood, air drying it to reduce moisture content and prevent warping or rot. Research on wood preservation techniques confirms that air drying significantly increases the strength and longevity of wood, making it resistant to decay and environmental damage. This careful preparation ensures that the wood remains strong and stable over time. Stone foundations and chimneys provide additional stability, resisting shifting and weather-related wear. Studies on mixed material construction show that combining wood with stone creates structures that balance flexibility and durability, allowing homes to withstand both shifting ground conditions and extreme weather. The combination of wood and stone results in homes that can withstand harsh weather conditions and last for generations. While bricks are known for their durability, the Amish have perfected techniques with wood and stone that provide similar longevity without the associated costs and complexities of brick construction. Studies comparing the life cycles of construction materials suggest that well-maintained wooden homes can last as long as brick homes, while offering easier repairs and lower overall maintenance costs. Their construction methods also account for environmental factors. For example, roofs are often built at steep angles to allow snow to slide off easily, reducing the risk of damage from heavy snowfall. Research on vernacular architecture highlights that steep roofs and other climate-adaptive features enhance the resilience of homes in regions with extreme weather, which is a hallmark of Amish construction practices. At number 1, the most significant reason the Amish build homes without bricks is the emphasis on community collaboration. Building a home in Amish society isn't just a construction project, it's a communal event that strengthens social bonds and reinforces their values of mutual aid and cooperation. Studies on collective action in traditional communities emphasize how such practices foster trust, interdependence, and shared purpose. This collaborative ethos is a cornerstone of Amish life, making home building a cultural and spiritual activity rather than a transactional one. Wooden construction facilitates this approach. The lighter weight of wood and the use of hand tools make it possible for many people to work together simultaneously. Research on group labor efficiency highlights how lighter materials and manual techniques encourage participation from a wide range of skill levels, making it easier to organize large-scale collaborative efforts like barn raisings. During these events, everyone in the community contributes, and the home becomes a symbol of collective effort. This process not only results in efficient construction, but also fosters unity and shared purpose. Studies on intergenerational knowledge transfer reveal that collaborative building events provide opportunities for younger members to learn practical skills from their elders, ensuring the preservation of traditional craftsmanship and cultural continuity. This communal learning fosters respect for tradition and a deep connection to shared heritage. By building homes together, the Amish reinforce their interconnectedness and ensure that everyone has adequate shelter. Research on housing cooperatives supports the idea that collective construction fosters social cohesion, reducing inequality and strengthening community ties. For the Amish, this collaborative process is not just about building a structure, it's a tangible expression of their faith, values, and commitment to one another. The Amish approach highlights that a home is more than just a structure. It reflects the values and connections that sustain a community. If you're inspired by the Amish's sustainable building practices, think about how you can incorporate these principles into your own life. Plus, if you're interested to know how the Amish still have water even during winter, check out some of our videos.